there are no takeaways here. Your associate can go to the 3-hour virtual Fast Start training and they're gonna get the same bonuses that they get today. But we're gonna focus on in-person training. And I'm so excited to tell you that when I tell you where to go find the training classes, we already right now, as I stand here today, have 75 in-person Fast Starts on the calendar for the month of May. So, thank you to all the leaders that worked hard to organize your states, your areas, to have Fast Start training, your regional vice presidents, your regional managers. We already have 75s. Our goal is 100 live in-person Fast Start trainings every month to be plugging your people into. And so when they go live, we're gonna double their Fast Start bonus. All right. So let me say that one more time. When your new associate goes live, we're gonna double their Fast Start bonus.